discussing the multimedia and ICT. But today, I'm with my two friends, Cheska Sunga and Jimro Pineda. They will also share their knowledge about the topic. So let's welcome them. Hi Jimro, hi
Good
Good
Cheska.
morning
morning,
naman
Cheska
din,
and Mandy.
Jimro.
So how are you guys? How does it feel naman na, we're experiencing the new normal?
It's good, but we're not used to it and we're still adjusting, so we don't have a choice but to face this reality.
So don't you miss hanging out with your friends? Like watching movies, going to the mall?
Yes, of course, we miss that kind of feeling, but we all know that we already have different social platforms and applications that we can use to socialize to your loved ones.
Okay, that's just a quick kamustahan. So now we will be proceeding to the main topic, which is the multimedia and ICT.
Yes, I'm so excited to share our knowledge about this topic, especially for those people who ask about multimedia and ICT.
So what is multimedia and ICT? Any idea, Jimro?
The multimedia it is used for communication, combination of graphics, video text, and sound that can deliver through electronic means. It also serves as entertainment, learning, and research.
Yes, that's the meaning and use of multimedia. So now, let's talk about the ICT. ICT or Information and Communication Technology are the use of computers and electronic equipments and systems to collect, store, and use and send data electronically. So basically, that's the use of ICT.
Wait, some of the people aren't familiar with rich user experience. So, what does that mean? A question running in the minds of people who are curious about it. So, this is the answer. Rich user experience invokes the wow factor. It ignites emotion by impressing them and making them addictive, loyal, and contagious.
In other words, rich user experience is something which incentivizes more people to more frequently use service. For example, static mapping and webmail application. For technology, there are Ajax and Adobe Flex that are qualified by this new technology.
There are also examples for rich user experience like Facebook, TweetDeck, EmoChat, Web Store, Docs, Google Book, and etc. But Google Chrome is the one of the example. It's just a browser where user just browse the web and nothing more could be done. It could also customize different background and themes. Also, it could download apps from Google Web Store like social networks, entertainment, education, and many more.
There are also benefits of this. It can lower down the percentage of a user in abandoning the web browser. It probably satisfies most of the users, and it also win in other competition in internet markets.
There are benefits for consumers and users visitors. Number one is higher conversion. Higher conversion visitors to a website who get a good experience are 87% more likely to make a purchase. Number two is higher referral. Higher referral, visitors to a website who get a good experience are 3 times more likely to refer a website to others. And last, the higher usability. Users will find application and website that are much pleasant and friendly to use to make them happier.
For the developers, short cycle. Because of the new tools available, developing RIA application faster than conventional application. Longer shelf life. Application with rich user experience typically have a longer shelf life than their counterparts. Higher satisfaction. Software engineers are more likely to satisfy user because of the interactive process, the collaboration, and the early visibility and visualization of the marketers.
There are also benefits for the marketers. The first one is first time to market. Real development and deployment cycle of application. The second one is higher loyalty. Users become more loyal and turn into evangelists by spreading the word around their friends and colleges. The third one is higher adoption. Applications in the wider market share at a faster rate.
For the users, the best practices are the combination of the best desktop and online experience. The use of the best desktop for the users, it will be higher engagement, faster performance, richer interactive between the users and the sites.
Because of this, rich user experience changed the way how people browse on internets and websites. It's much more better and interesting.
So we are done for the rich user experience. Now we will talk about the interactive media. Interactive media or interactive multimedia is a method of communication. It refers to different ways in which people process and share information.
But how does it work? The goal of interactive media is to engage the user and interact with him or her. So, the traditional form of media before are form television and radio. But with the advent of the interact in the 1990s, it changed. As technology developed, having an access to the internet, wireless computer, and laptop became a household item in the workplace, and working devices began making interacting media easy and convenient.
Interactive media like moving images, graphics, animations, digital, text, audio, and video. And other examples of interactive social networking websites are Facebook, Twitter. If you have smartphone, interactive media can help you figure out weather, detect location, allows you to shop, and many more.
Interactive media is very important nowadays. Not only does it make people more active, but also it is a better way to communicate with other people. Also an educational component that students need to become more active, especially to their learning experience.
Let's talk about now the major difference among Web 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0.
Let's start first with Web 1.0. Web 1.0 is a readable phrase in World Wide Web with flat data. It is a information portal where users can give reviews, feedbacks, and comments about a certain topic or article.
For the Web 2.0, it refers to the second generations of the World Wide Web. The new generations includes feature and functionality. It is a series of technology improvements. Examples for these are blogs, wikis, social networkings.
The last one is Web 3.0. This is the last generation or the third generation of internet services for websites and applications. This is focused in the use of machine-based data that provide data-driven and semantic web. The goal of Web 3.0 is to create more intelligent, connected, and open websites but it is not yet implemented and there's no solid definition.
So, that is all about the three webs, the 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. I hope you learned a lot.
We are happy to share you our little bit knowledge to you guys about multimedia and ICT.
So, this will be the end. Thank you for everyone who watched this. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned a lot from us. And for Cheska and Jimro, thank you for being with me today. See you in my next one. Stay safe and God bless.